Okay, here's my climber set up. Not talking bad. This thing is pretty decent, but I will be sending it back. I mean, it says it takes up to, I don't know, was it like 320 or something pounds? It was something a lot. I'm 190 and I don't feel like it's stable enough for me. So I'm probably going to send it back and spend a little bit more money because I realize I do love this machine, but it's not sturdy enough. It shakes a lot for me, and I don't know if I can get on and show you, but like this leg here, this part here, when I'm stepping, it like spins. I mean, it doesn't spin, but it moves. Let's see if I can. No, I can't show you. But when I put my weight on it, it moves. And I don't like that, because then I feel like it's not going to last me. I feel like I'm going to be working on it, getting it probably in the middle of my workout, and that part might snap. So I'm going to opt for a better one. But maybe if you're less intense than me, probably less weight than me, this thing's actually pretty perfect.